Hi, I'm Rich Fidlow from RF Contracting, and today we're going to talk about installing an outdoor sump pump. Now what we've got here is a concrete block catch basin with an iron framing grate with the sump pump installed at the bottom. Okay, the sump pump is indicated in green here. It's got a check valve and your sump pump ejection line exiting the pit, pumping that water out. You've got your drainage system draining directly into this catch basin, and then you also have your electrical hookup, which is indicated in red here. Now, the concrete block catch basin with iron framing grate, in my opinion, it's far superior to using a plastic sump pump pit for several reasons. The first being, it looks a whole lot better and it looks more professional, and it is. It'll allow you to put a bigger, more powerful pump in the catch basin itself. And it's much easier to maintain it because periodically what you'll need to do is clear out any sediment that accumulates at the bottom of the pit. You're probably going to want to do that maybe once or twice a year, depending upon the circumstances. You want to have a 2-inch minimum sump pump ejection line. The 2-inch Schedule 40 PVC, it's going to allow the pump to eject a higher volume of water out and up off the property. You're going to want to have a licensed electrician install or wire up the pump. Now what we do is I'll install an electrical conduit outside the electrical box right at your foundation and run that conduit out toward this catch basin where the electrician can simply install the outlet, wire it up, and then what we recommend is a wall switch. This way you can just very easily turn on and off your pump, and that's it. You're going to want a minimum of 3 feet depth when you construct this catch basin. Now that's for a catch basin that's 18 inches wide by 18 inches wide, 3 foot deep. You could certainly go with a larger basin, 2 foot by 2 foot, 3 foot deep, or larger. And keep in mind, when with your outdoor sump pumps, you may have to eject many thousands of gallons of water per hour off the property. So you can go as big as you want, and as the size of the catch basin grows, like I said before, that'll allow you a bigger pump and a more effective system. Now that's all for today, but stay tuned for my upcoming video of dry well versus outdoor sump pump. That's coming up soon, and we'll talk to you later.